International Learning Foundations. Myself is a collection of 25 books that present the concepts of emotion and character in ways that we can be easily understood by children. The collection comes with complimentary interactive family guides that encourage parents and careers. Now we're going to unbox my books. My first book. There, let's read one book. I'm going to choose. I mean, 4 books. I like to read anyway. Let's get I Was So Mad. The title of the book, I Was So Mad. Let's start reading the book now. Was almost finished building the best sandcastle. I got up for 1 second and Mason took my favorite shovel. Hey, I said, I was using that. Sorry, Mia, he said. He put the shovel down and then started adding to my castle. Olivia came over and joined in too. This is my castle, I said. You don't own the sandbox, Mia, said Olivia. That was it. I didn't want to play in the sandbox anymore. Mason? Mia, Miss Lori called. What's wrong? Mason and Olivia messed up my sandcastle, and now they're playing without me, I said. That must make you angry, she said. Miss Lori was right. I was so mad. Sometimes when I feel mad, I need time to myself, said Miss Lori. Running usually helps me feel better too. I love to run, I said. Sometimes my mom times me. Why don't you race around the playground? I will time you, said Miss Lori. Ready, set, go! I ran as fast as a cheetah, Miss Lori said. It took me less than a minute. Then I ran over to play with Olivia and Mason. I asked, hey, can I play with you guys? Sure, they said. I was not so mad anymore. My thoughts. How does this boy feel? How can you tell by looking his face and body? He is mad. As the lesson of the story is to calm down if you are mad. Let's choose another book. I'm going to put I Was So Mad here. I'm going to get a book that is my favorite color. Charlie is Responsible. Charlie is Responsible by Ellen Garcia. Illustrated by Mark Moniz. I used to have just one sister. Now I have 2. Kayla's my new baby sister. We'll need your help today, Charlie, said Mom. A new baby is hard work. I have to change the baby, said Dad. Can you go brush your teeth? I already did it, Dad, I said. Kayla is crying, Mom said. Annie and I need to stay in the car. Mrs. Lee is right there, I said. I can walk it by myself. Do you need help? Asked Mrs. Lee. I can put on my things away, I said. I had a surprise for you. At home, my dad set at pick-up times. It was my Uncle Jeff. Do you want to go for a ride? Uncle Jeff asked. Just me asked. No babies allowed in the green machine. Sure, we can go to the pizza. Can we go to the Pizza Palace? I asked. Sure, said Dad. You've been so responsible. Then Uncle Jeff and I were responsible for eating a whole pizza. My thoughts, what is the child doing? What is the mom doing? How are they showing responsibility? They are washing the dishes. Wow, this is a family guidebook. In this team, I have feelings. Children will read 6 stories about characters who show positive character traits and motivation and self-running. I'm going to show you the next stuff I got. This heavy dictionary. It's kind of heavy. Do you know what dictionary is? It's a book where you can read things that you cannot understand. First dictionary, Judas S. Levi. Guys, do you know how to use a dictionary? Let's read it now. First, I have to think a word that I don't understand. I'm going to think. I don't know about a diamond. D-I. I found it. Look over here. This is the meaning of diamond. A diamond is a very hard, clear stone that comes from inside of the earth. Diamonds are shining and used in rings and other jewelry. A diamond also a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. A diamond looks like this. Do you see, guys? That's how a dictionary works. That's the end of the video. Bye! Let's give Scholastic. Shout out to Scholastic and